Okay, setting off from the Hook's Western Outpost in Ivy. Looks like a beautiful Thursday. Let's rock on! Woo! And Route 250 west of town looks beautiful, especially when you drive with your knees. All's well at the new stoplight at Health Services Way. Looks like traffic on the 29-250 bypass is moving beautifully. Home of the breakfast burrito, baby. Alton Campbell, the owner of Zazu's, is making the breakfast burritos. Yum.
Would you like mild, medium, or hot salsa? Or pico de gallo?
Habanero hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot. Let's not let the snow get in the way of a good run. Or a walk. So beautiful. I learned you can't see the president without an appointment, even if it's the new, allegedly glass-nosed president. But you might be able to get away with a little bit of free parking on a snow day.
It's okay to make some.
How do you like your snow?
It's good. Cold.
I mean, it's pretty. It makes campus look really great, but I'm going to try and drive home tonight, so I guess we'll see how that goes, because I have a very little car and very little, no good four-wheel drive, but it's good otherwise.
How many t-shirts have you sold today, Sherry?
We've actually been somewhat busy this morning. I swear snow brings people to the corner. It's the oddest thing in the world.
Some things never change. West Main, the street of dreams. Here at the Amtrak station on West Main, you can't even see the potholes in the parking lot. Thank you, snow. We are at the Amtrak station. Bill Thomas got the Northeast Regional off without a hitch this morning. How'd that go?
Ran on time, 8:49 departure, about 115 load.
How's that hand sanitizer treating you?
Doing good. So far we're not sick.
Let's see what's happening inside the Blue Moon Diner. Eric Summer is here at the Blue Moon Diner enjoying a nice hot cup of joe and any reading material you got. Oh, dude.
Oh my God, I am so sorry. This is the wrong paper.
Indeed.